Hey everybody, how you doing today? I just want to take the time today to show you how to fix this little plastic piece here that broken off. Um, I'm going to show you that right, and it broke off right there, right there in that little bit of spot there. But give me a minute and I'll be right back with you. I'm going to heat this up, and then I'm going to burn the plastic back on. So pretty much like weld it back onto here with this little thing here. If you give me a minute, I'll show you a little bit after it's done. Okay, as you can see, now it's on. Thank you. Bye-bye.